Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and you're going to search for YouTube banner, and you're going to go to images and you're going to download the first image, this image right here. And then after downloading this image, you're going to upload it into Canva. Now when you're in Canva, you're just going to search for YouTube channel art. And you're going to click on this right here, and it's going to take it to a blank. It's going to take you to this. However, there are a lot of templates. Let me show you guys. There are a lot of templates that you can edit or tailor to suit your design need. And these are some of the templates that you can use, and you can filter them. So if you're using the free version, you can filter just to see the free templates that you can use. Whereas if you have the pro version, you have access to everything. So now let's start our design. Now we're going to go to uploads, and you should have already uploaded the YouTube banner that I said you should download from Google, and we're just going to add it to the page. Now we're just going to left click or right click and set this as your background image. Now this is basically a template guide to size your YouTube banner properly, because you realize that sometimes when you use certain dimensions, it's either it does not fit properly, or some of the things are not showing, or you just don't seem to get the sizing right. But this image right here is going to change all of that. So you know that most persons watch YouTube videos on their mobile devices. Therefore, we're going to focus on this layer right here with the dots. We're going to focus on this. This is the most important part of the template. The outside area is more suited for desktop users or persons who use their tablets or their laptops. But as I mentioned earlier, we're going to focus on the mobile view. So I'm just going to go to uploads, and I'm going to use a pattern. I actually got this holographic pattern from Google. You can just search holographic wallpaper, and you should see a bunch of them come up. However, say you did not want to use a pattern and you wanted to use a square instead, you could just click R on your keyboard, and a square would come up and you could size it up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the transparency down so I can see my guide behind. So I'm just going to adjust these. I'm going to stretch it for right here for now, just like that, and I'm going to ensure this is perfectly fitted. And now I'm going to turn the transparency up to 100. Now we're going to add our images. Now let's add our text first. I'm just going to select T on my keyboard to bring up a text box, and I'm going to, let's say the person name is Jane Doe. So now I'm just going to bring this down, and I'm going to ensure that this is in the center. Okay, it's already in the center, and I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to get another text box, and I'm going to basically type these type of stuff. You know what that means, basically what your channel is about. And I'm going to size this down. And I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, now I'm going to select R on my keyboard to get a rectangle, and I am just going to size it down. And I want to ensure that it is centered. I want to ensure that it is centered. Now I'm just going to change this. I'm going to put it down some. I don't think I want it that big. Put it in the center again. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to change the color to white. Perfect. And I am going to type subscribe because yes, I'm creating a subscribe button. I'm going to put it down and I want to ensure that it fits perfectly. Okay, awesome. And I'm going to change the color to match the background. Okay, awesome. Perfect. I love this color. Okay, now it's time for us to add our images. So I uploaded some images from Google. Where is it? Hold on, okay, this is the image that I want to use. And I am going to size it up. And I'm going to duplicate it. And I am going to flip it so it can be positioned like this. And what else am I going to do? I'm going to duplicate this again, and I'm going to set it aside right here, and I'm going to turn the transparency down to about 46 on this image. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this again. It's a lot of duplication, and I am going to size this down and drag it over to fit this. Okay, I think that's perfect. And I'm just going to delete this, and I'm just going to duplicate it just to maintain the same size. And I'm going to flip it. Awesome. Oh, I forgot to turn the transparency down to 46 on this one. Awesome. Now I'm going to unlock this, and I'm going to stretch it out some more, just like that. Now I'm just going to delete the background image. And just like that, you are able to achieve this minimalistic yet eye-catching YouTube banner in Canva for free. Okay guys, so now I'm going to download the image, and I am going to upload it into YouTube to show you guys. So I'm going to select upload, and I'm going to search for the image. Just like that, you have a YouTube banner, and notice that it shows you which portion is viewable. So I like it. Comment down below and let me know if you guys like it. Now, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, don't forget to share this video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also comment down below what you would like to see me do next. So until next time, big up on yourself, stay safe and stay blessed.